All right. In the wrong YouTube account. Wait for some people to get in here and we will dive into this. Whoops. What am I doing? What am I doing? No, seriously, I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, I'm home. I'm home. I'm here. Thank you guys for joining me. I appreciate you guys for being here. Seriously, I really do. We'll go to subscribers only and we'll do monetization. All of that, you know that. What's up? First home A. You made it. Yep. And soon XRP. Hi, greetings from Holland, the Netherlands. Well, thank you for watching. What's up now? Fine day. Yes, love the channel, Matt. Thank you for saying that. I appreciate it. Let's freaking go. So I'm apologizing in advance for all of the coughing. As I talk more and more, it's just not going to be the best situation there. But I do appreciate all people being here. Hi, Matt Edwin from Australia. Thank you for watching and viewing and liking and all that stuff. How big will it go? Time to buy or wait? So it all depends on what you decide to get out of it. Because right now, if you're looking at purchasing it, you're looking at a huge gain to kind of overcome there, right? It's already up, 71%. As we can see on this list, it's already up 71%, 72% in the last 7 days. So you're going to see some form of retracement. I know a level of $1 is a very, very significant point. Even though we've already been there before, it still is a significant point. So is it time to buy? I would definitely look at this and go, all right, well, maybe I want to, if you don't have any, to dip your toe in the water, right? Dipping your toe in the water doesn't mean taking $1,000 is what you have invested and putting it in there, right? It could mean $100. It could mean, $50 or something, just to be a part of it, depending on what does happen. Now, again, you're already up 71%. So that's a massive gain from where we were. So I would say for everybody, it's not really the time to purchase more. So if you already have some, you're seeing all these benefits. If you don't, I wouldn't recommend that you go out and buy something that's up 71%. I'll never do that. No matter how much I believe in the position, I still won't do that. But honestly, it is up to you. Ultimately, the decision is up to you on whether you're going to make that purchase for that position. But I'll tell you, if you are going to make that purchase, make sure you're very cautious. Like you understand the situation that you're dealing with, that you're investing into something that's up a significant amount right now. And most times that you're investing into something that's up a significant amount, you're going to see a decently sized pullback on a position. So if you're going to invest something, be conservative. um, Sorry, where am I at? I haven't been here in a very long time to tease Matt about his love of pizza. My love of pizza? I love pizza. Absolutely love pizza. I can't really sit here and eat pizza every day, though. It's not really healthy, not heart healthy. Who doesn't love pizza? At work, but was able to jump in real quick. Well, I appreciate you being here. I know that this is a late stream. It's 5 o'clock p.m. I already ate dinner. So I think Erica already had something planned for dinner, but I don't think I'm going to eat that because I ate kind of a dinner, right? A lunch dinner. Hopefully this kicks in the bull run. I think it will start as you see, XRP, making these moves and making these, changes to what people think about cryptocurrency. This is so good for all crypto. Absolutely. Not just XRP. You have to understand that. XRP now the fourth biggest. Um, yeah, over BNB. Sitting at a $38.5 billion. Sorry, I'm wrong. Sitting at a $9 billion market cap. Wait, where am I at? Wow, $9 billion that's going through it. That's a lot of money that's going through there. A $41 billion market cap. And XRP, or sorry, and BNB sitting at a $39 billion market cap. How high you think this will go this week? It really all depends. Because anytime we see any type of major positivity, they find a way to bring us down, right? And I don't know how they're going to do that because this is major news, honestly. The banks need XRP to run international transactions soon. It's the only platform, so to speak, that can handle the transactions. I mean, I'm all for it. I'm sure maybe they'll be for it. Probably not. um, Guys, we have 150 people here. If you can hit the like button, get me up to, I would love to get to 100 likes. That would be amazing. That's the goal, the short-term goal for now. So feel free to hit that like button. How much are we thinking it will drop? A little. So for XRP, I think as you see a dollar, typically a major resistance point is that level, the 75% of the way there. So, maybe sometimes it pushes to 80 or 85%. So 80 to 85 cents, we might see a little bit of a pullback. And again, we are seeing that down 2.8% in the last hour. If we go into XRP, we're seeing it down that far. The highest point that it got to today was about that 90-cent mark. So it looks like it resisted from 90 cents. And you see it kind of pull back a little bit, may create a little bit of a high, and then might create another low. So just be careful on what you're getting in. Now, it probably won't come back to the levels that it was before, the levels of like 40, sub 50 cents. But what you will see is a little bit of a retracement down to maybe 70, maybe down to 69, 68, something like that, depending on what we are seeing on the chart. Maybe somewhere around here as a major support level of 60 plus. But I hope that it doesn't. I hope that it continues to, like, it does pull back to maybe 70, but starts to climb a little bit more. So, let's see. Matt, will you buy some more XRP at this level? Will I? No. The reason why I won't is because people that follow my channel or follow my investment strategies, right? I'm not saying that you copy it, but you follow it. You know that I will never ever invest into anything that's up a significant amount. Now, if we see it climb, like it climbs up to these levels but then pulls back, then there's always an opportunity to do so. Now, I'm in at such a low point that I really don't want to buy anymore. One, because I really don't have any free cash to do so. And two, because I'm in at like 39 cents per coin. So being in at 36 cents per coin, I know that I have so much room, a bigger gap in between where I invested versus like where kind of the lower point I expect to be. Like we have so much of a gap between where I've invested and where we are now, literally looking at double my money, which is fantastic. If I go over to KuCoin, I should be up to about $2,000, if not, or close to it. So I'm excited about that. Very, very excited about that. I would worry about some XRP whales to dump soon. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. They're going to see something like that. 3.5 trillion transactions per second the system can handle. Absolutely. Bitcoin, a few hundred million per second. Coinbase is up 24%. Holy cow. Is it up 24%? Coinbase is up 24%. I definitely have to make a video about that. I feel like I have no time to do anything, right? I want to make a Coinbase video here. Yeah, I don't know if I have time to do anything, honestly. We'll continue to stream, though. I want to continue to stream. I finally hit my goal for Jasmy coin, traded all my XRP for Jasmy. like you traded your XRP as of like the prices right now for Jasmine coin. I mean, whatever works for you. I'm not going to tell you not to do it. XRP1, crypto market green, that's what happens. They dumped at 94 cents. Yeah, as you got up to 90, it started to pull back a little bit. So seeing it at 80 cents from 90, that's a decent size pullback, a decent size retracement. So I may not expect anything lower than 70, honestly. But the only thing is that you're not really seeing too much strength there, right? You see the lowest point 77 here, but you're not seeing too much strength around that 70 mark, right? You just see this point, which is a little blurb of what could happen. But here you're seeing a little bit of strength, right? A little bit of consolidation, but you don't see any strength here, which means that you have to fill that gap a little bit. If you short XRP, make sure that you're protecting yourself and you take your losses, right? If something does happen, it absolutely explodes, accept your losses. Don't hold on to it and wait for it to eventually completely pull back, because it may be very, very difficult for you to recover from that, especially if you're going all in on those short positions. So be very, very careful. I'm not going to tell you to short anything. I'm not going to tell you not to short anything. Make whatever moves you feel are necessary for you, because it's a natural part of the market. I'm excited for those that already have XRP and happy with no regrets. Anyone get on the board at this time? Get on board at this time. Are you KYC on KuCoin? I heard you have to KYC by Saturday, or you won't be able to buy or sell. So I believe I am. I think there was an issue with some form of verification, but I believe so. Like something's going on with the app that wouldn't allow me to do like one portion of it. But I believe I am. I'm pretty sure I am, because it gave me a notification and I went through it, and that notification is not on anymore. What's happening here? Got to get back to work. Well, thank you for being here, Fire King. I appreciate it. I need money. Need to go back on OnlyFans for the fun. I mean, I don't know about that. I got on board at 3 cents for XRP. I'm pretty excited. I would be excited too if you got on this position at 3 cents. Any position at 3 cents that turns to this level, you made out really, really well on the deal, on any deal. XRP versus Jasmine. Jasmine has the better potential to generate average investors to becoming millionaires. With XRP, you better be a whale to accumulate a couple hundred K worth of coins. Jasmine is so cheap to buy in. You're not wrong. I think Jasmine is definitely cheap to buy in and will thrive. But you're looking at two of these positions, or both of these positions, in kind of, and comparing them in the same way when they shouldn't be. Jasmine coin is way different than XRP. If you look at it as an investment style, yes, you probably can make a little bit more with Jasmine coin, but overall, if all becomes true with XRP, you might end up making a lot more than Jasmine coin. So it really all depends on the situation. If Coinbase lists XRP today, it would run like crazy. Definitely not 10K. Keep dreaming. Uphold, never stop selling it. It's getting relisted on Coinbase, KuCoin, and Kraken as we speak. KuCoin, it already is listed. How do you buy XRP in the US right now? Right now, you can buy it on Uphold, I believe. I don't know if that's still available. And then also, sorry, KuCoin, which I bought it on at a level of 39 cents, and you're still able to purchase it as well. But then you could also eventually buy it on Kraken, eventually buy it on Coinbase. I don't know exactly when, but you will be able to. Coinbase will have XRP listed by the end of today. Well, I need to put out a video before the end of today. God, man. As I talk, it just like gets so difficult. Guys, we have 231 people here. If you can hit the like button, I would greatly appreciate it. I really would. It means the world to me that people are here, that we're talking about XRP, that we're talking about the crypto market right now, because crypto has been kind of not dead, but dead when it comes to a lot of communication, a lot of conversation. XRP will pump again. I've invested when it was 70.7 euros in at 39 cents as well. That's good. That's really good. Coinbase CEO already tweeted that they will get it listed today at 1:45 p.m. They tweeted at 1:45 p.m. and he said that it would be listed. Where's this tweet at? I know somebody sent me, I think DJ Trev sent me like some sort of tweet recently. Let me go back here and go to Twitter. um, what are we looking at here? Let me go to Coinbase. Coinbase will re-enable XRP trading for XRP on the XRP network. Do not send this asset over to other networks. Your funds may be lost. Transfers for this asset remain available on Coinbase and Coinbase Exchange in the regions where trading is supported. Our XRP to USD trading pair will now enter auction mode. Customers can post limit orders and view the resulting locally auction for a minimum of 10 minutes, during which no matches will occur. Interesting. Update. Trading is is now expected to begin in 45 minutes on or after 1:45 PT today. So at specific time. That should be what, 3:45 or 4:45, something like that. If liquidity contains conditions are met. So I don't know if they were, right? Interesting. Very, very interesting. The banks want XRP to run the financial systems. That's coming. What do you think about that, Matthew? What do I think about what? Will XRP pump again? I've invested when it was at 7 euros. Will it pump again? Yes, I think it will continue to pump. The issue is that you don't want to sit here and invest in a position that's already up 70, 80%, right? It I I hate when I decide to do that. And you should always find retracement points. I know that you see something and you're like, oh, well, you know what? It's not going to come back. It's not going to come back. But eventually you will see it retrace a little bit. You have to watch the chart. And then you can make that move and see the benefits and see the returns. Now, I'm not saying you're not going to see that because when it's relisted on Coinbase and you see more trading and you see so much more activity, they probably should have waited. I would have definitely waited for Coinbase to do this like tomorrow. Get everything set up, have all of the alerts of when they're going to do it, relist it tomorrow, and then see majority of things run again. Not just see it run and then see it run a little bit more, and you may end up seeing a quicker retracement because it's all consolidating together, right? It could also be to the point to where we're going to see this, we see it run, it's retracing now from 94 cents, and now we're seeing it pick back up because Coinbase does end up opening trading for XRP. So it's definitely a big deal. We have a super chat here somewhere. Uphold keeps telling me error to buy XRP. They probably don't have as much liquidity, honestly. That's probably the issue. I know people have told me about selling. That might be the issue with that. Will CDC list XRP again? I want to know. Maybe. We'll have to go and check into that. Maybe they have something on. It's just not getting as much popularity as Coinbase listing. $1,000 invested in XRP, you get 1,200 tokens. $1,000 invested in Jasmy, you get 227,000 coins. What coin do you think will make more money in this coming bull run for an average investor? So I think that Jasmy coin has a lot more potential to grow to billions of dollars of a market cap, right? But I also think XRP has the ability, yes, 100%, probably Jasmy coin percentage wise, you'll make more in the short term. Long term, you might end up making a lot more in for XRP as long as, you know, we end up seeing everything transpire the way that we think that it's going to happen. So so honestly, I would say Jasmy for the short term, XRP for the long term. That's what I would say. Should have bought it 46 cents. I mean, it's always should have, could have, would have, but that's just how it works. That's how the market works. You never know what's going to happen. XRP is still so down. Man, who's selling at 78 cents? That's absurd. You have to understand that we're not at, you know, the peaks of the markets. So seeing XRP at this high of a level is kind of, as we start to see it at some of those other levels, we're like, oh, it can get to $100 billion market cap. Well, yeah, it can, but those were peaks of the markets. As we start to see new highs that are created, we'll see that with XRP, we'll see that with Bitcoin, we'll see that with, you know, Ethereum. But in due time, how's XRP work on Forex? I don't know the answer to that. XRP was one of the top 5 before the lawsuit. Why wouldn't it happen again? True. I mean, right now it's a top 3, technically. We've been screaming XRP. Yeah, we have. Trying to KYC KuCoin, but keep saying failed. I'm not happy right now. Yeah, there's something that says failed for me, but I don't know what portion of it is. I think it's confirming one part. Like, yeah, my KYC, I now have an alert again to update things. So I'll definitely update that. Something happened to Hayden. He might have just fell. I'm gonna blow my nose. Give me a second. How you guys doing right now? Actually, I'm thirsty too. You know what? Let me do 2-factor authentication real quick on this. And where is KuCoin? I don't think I have KuCoin. All right. Who's buying on Coinbase when it relists? So I don't, like I said, I don't think I am. But I'm sure there will be a lot of people that look for this because it's going to see a significant gain as you see it relisted, right? Yeah, so it looks like it. Looks like I did do. I did do that. I don't know why it's giving me. Let me actually see what my value is. So right now it's at a value of 1,400. because it's up, so high. Obviously, if it gets to $1, I'll be at 1,788 because that's how much XRP I'm holding, right? I have to send my Jasmine coin over. What is Jasmine coin at? Jasmine coin's at a certain price. Let me see where Jasmine. So Jasmine coin is up 7% too. That's good. That's good to see. Um, but obviously it could be up a lot more. It has been up a lot more, but that's not the main show right now. The main show is XRP. Again, like I said, you saw a level of 94 cents. It got to 94 cents or 90 cents is what it's showing here, which is probably a lot more when it comes to the overall wick of the candlestick. You see that 94 cents pulls back to a level of 77. You may see a double touch point here, a relist on Coinbase, and things start to really run. Matt, you got the Kobe? No, I don't. I don't know what's up with that child. Why is she sad? They took a deposit a year ago, and I haven't been able to KYC. Really? Trade for Jasmine so you can reach your goal of 1 million Jasmine coin. I think I'm good. I have 570,000 Jasmine coin. I'm fine with that. 500K on Jasmine, pretty convincing. Yeah. Update Coinbase. It listed. Did it list? Let me go to Coinbase. Give me a second. Oh, there we go. Let me go to Coinbase. So if I type in XRP, I should be able to trade. No, it looks like I'm still not able to. They haven't listed it yet. But what you are seeing is some data, right? Typical days of hold time, 31 days. You're seeing some updated data. Means that we're seeing a little bit more activity. Maybe if I go to like assets or I go to trade and I go to advanced, I'll probably be able to see the trading pair that's in there. So let's go to XRP. XRP that's here. Maybe not. Trade on advanced. Yeah, so you can trade on advanced. So they're allowing it for you to buy XRP, sell XRP. I would love to send my XRP to Coinbase, honestly. Just because I don't want to spend a crazy amount of money to send it, but we'll see. Coinbase sucks if you own an Android phone. Why? I have an Android phone. I have a Samsung, and it's fine with me. Gonna purchase band off Uphold. XRP needs to run to $3 so I can take profits. I've been in since 2018. So what price are you in at? You were telling me what price you were in. Fed now goes live next week. Things will get really interesting. Well, hopefully we see positivity from things. I don't want to see retracements. I really don't. He relisted on Coinbase, but only the paid member portion, according to my Coinbase. Send it to a hard drive. Same. I'm getting an error on KuCoin. Uphold is down. Yeah, I don't know. I don't use Uphold. You were not able to KYC, but because the pictures of you sent in of your ID is too fuzzy. For me, pictures of my ID were fine. I think they said they were fine. I think. I don't even remember the process, honestly. Shout out to all my XRP holders. I'm here, and a lot of other people are here as well. Do you think Lunik will follow XRP relisting on Coinbase if the judge throws out Lunik case tomorrow? So with Lunik being within that mess, I don't even know if Terra Luna Classic is moving. I would imagine it's moving a little bit. But with Lunic being in that mess, I don't see why it didn't pump even more than that. Seeing it up to a level of a drop zero would have been phenomenal for Terra Luna Classic because it was also in that mess of being listed as security. Can't buy on Coinbase yet, not even on advanced. Well, it looks like you're able to purchase, or I guess put in a limit order. I don't really have any money on here, so I can't do anything. Maybe I have something. Guess I don't have the ability to do that. Um, Lunix sends a lot of people. Wait, if Lunix sends a lot of people, will be. Wait, what? If Lunix send a lot of people, will be happy. I don't know what you're saying. Um, I won't let me in. Say emergency maintenance. What is going on here? Am I reading things weird? I feel like I am. No, sell for WP. I don't know what WP is. Should I sell Lunic for XRP right now? Well, seeing how Lunic is up 70% and XRP is up 70%, and Terra Luna Classic is up 3%, I would say no. As an investor, you look at things that are up a hell of a lot and you don't buy during the green times. Even though green means go, it doesn't mean for you to buy during those times. It means for you to, be a little bit cautious. Matt, do you think Coinbase will make XRP rise even more once you're able to buy on Coinbase? Yes, because it creates more volume. Absolutely. Um, I think it will push even more than that because of how much support you know people see within Coinbase. Like as you see something list on Coinbase, you see an absolute skyrocket to a lot of those plays, especially in more of a green market. And if you're already in a green market because of what XRP has done, well, now you're seeing just a lot more because of Coinbase relisting it. Buy button on Coinbase isn't working. For me, I guess it just told me to add money because I don't have any funds right now. Man, how many Lambos can I get for 7 XRP? Probably none at this point. I don't know when you will be able to, but I wouldn't bank on it. I wouldn't literally have my heart set on taking 7 XRP and turning it into $7 million. Like that's not really something that I would think about. I'm gonna wait till tomorrow to transfer to Coinbase. Well, yeah, I don't think we can transfer to Coinbase right now. Even if we have to make sure we're trading on the XRP network and not um, none. What the for 7 XRP? Daisy, what in the world are you doing? The cat is so loud. That was the longest meow I've ever heard from her. It just didn't stop. I'm making no money on Lunic though. I hear you. You're not going to make any money on Lunic right now. Short term, we should see a push, but it really is all dependent on your strategy. If you want to do it, I'm not going to be the one to hold you back. Go ahead and buy what you want to buy, but know that if you're trading Terra Luna Classic for XRP, you're trading something that is significantly down in the price when you look at the chart to something that is still down, but from the past, few months or even year, it's up a significant amount, right? So, um, you don't want to be investing at midpoints. You want to be investing at low points. And that's what you're getting with Terra Luna Classic versus investing at midpoints for XRP. No offense to XRP holders. I'm sure there's people that are buying XRP now and believe in it for a 2x or 3x, right? Short term. Um, but then there's also people that invested a lot earlier and or didn't invest at all and they want to find the best price to invest for a 5x or 6x or 10x. No? Go ahead, FOMO, and get wrecked. That's what someone said in the comments. Um, don't forget, over in China, it's 5 a.m. Yeah. I, why do I need to not forget that? What about 50,000 XRP? You ain't got no 50,000 XRP. I don't got 50,000 XRP. You are correct. 13,000, 13K so far on this. That's fantastic. Well, I got 6 Link and 4 Pepe. Like 4? Like just go ahead, FOMO, and get wrecked. Lunic is a hold just like XRP was slash is. That's cat meow because of XRP. Tokyo is only um because of Jasmy Coin. You're saying that Jasmy Coin is not really seeing the impact because Tokyo's sleep. How do we get some orange juice? Give me a second. But give me 1 minute. 260, there's 262 people here. Make sure you guys hit the like button. I would greatly appreciate that. I don't even know if you could see me, but definitely hit the like button. So I got on my XRP is now tradable. Why are people saying it's now tradable? I mean, technically, as I go through, oh, so it is trading. We're seeing some activity now. Is it up to 85 cents again? Hold up. We saw this push all the way up to 95 cents and then resisted from it. Now we're seeing it up to 85 cents again. This candlestick that I'm looking at is 2-hour candlesticks. I want to look at, maybe 5-minute candlesticks. No, I want to look at 1-minute candlesticks. Looks so horrible. What's going on here? Sorry, Coinbase. Why does it look so horrible at this moment? We're seeing it down to what, 81 cents? I guess this is in the last hour or 15 minutes. These are 1-minute candlesticks. So we saw it pick up to 90 again within these last minutes. And now we're seeing it back down. So let's see where XRP is at. It says it's at 80 cents, but Coinbase has it listed at a lot higher. I guess a lot of things that are going on. Market price that you would end up getting for this, I guess, would be 78 cents at the current level, the estimated average price. But we're seeing some activity that's going on in Coinbase where people are making some moves within it. Matthew, what is your price prediction for the week ahead for XRP? So I expect XRP to continue to make moves here, but depending on what else is happening in the market, eventually it plays catch up. Now, I think that this is major bullish momentum that can create or at least start the bull run for cryptocurrency unless we see some sort of major impact towards the negative side, towards the downside for cryptocurrency. So I'm expecting it to keep picking up, and I'm expecting it to break $1 as well as continue to increase well above it as long as the crypto market is continuing to thrive, right? So that's my expectations, is to see it well above a level of $1. It already hit again 95 cents, and I expect it to push above that level. I can't buy. Why? Do you have money? Yes, it's working. It seems like there's a lot of activity that's happening right now, and it's at 83 cents is what it's showing in a live update. XRP is tradable and Kraken as well. Again, we're going to see some major volume. Back in the green on XRP finally after 2 years. Well, I'm happy for you. Thanks for replying, Matthew. Yeah, no problem. No problem. I mean, that's what I'm here for, is to try and, maybe ease your mind a little bit with certain positions. But again, I think that we're definitely heading in the right direction, today, seeing it up a massive amount. But I don't want to sit here and tell people, hey, you know what, go ahead and buy, everything you want to buy. Go ahead and buy this position, go ahead and buy that position. I'm not going to be that person that just tells you what to buy. I want you to be that person that end up pulling the trigger, if that makes sense. I think it will go up to $1.50. Probably see a resistance from there as well. Just dipped my toe in, got a little bit more XRP. It's great for you. If it's part of your strategy, that is great for you. I'm not gonna talk down on what you do. I'm glad that you're dipping your toe in and you're not going all in on that position and absolutely pushing everything into that position. That would be, if you're putting, wow, $9.3 billion that's invested in the last 24 hours. Again, up 70% is phenomenal. Guys, we have 316 people here. If you guys can hit the like button, I would greatly appreciate it. I really do. I know there's probably people that haven't been here, that have never been here, and there's probably people that haven't been here for a while. So hit the like button, hit that subscribe button. I think this is significant news that we're seeing with XRP winning, XRP being labeled as not a security, and also, seeing XRP up 70% on the day. It's fantastic. XRP to $100. I mean, let's kind of dial it back a little bit. I think, yes, that we have predictions that are in the range of $100, but let's dial it back a little bit. We understand that, levels of, $1, $2, $3, all of those levels that we've seen before, $100 billion market cap. Maybe surpassing that $100 billion market cap are levels that we want to see it surpass first. Let's baby step our way to those points, and then we'll have those conversations about, XRP to $100, XRP to 200, XRP to $1,000, like some people say. I'm still at like more of a cap of like, hey, XRP to $5. Let's talk about that a little bit. Because that's a little, maybe a little bit absurd, but then you start to get into the global use of XRP and how that can really factor into everything. Hey, Matt, how many XRP you said you have? I have 1,788 XRP right now, and probably some change of coins. Yeah, 1,788.535. Worth about $1,432 right now. XRP will take over that third spot on CoinMarketCap. So right now, as far as I know, they are the third spot, right? You're looking at a stable coin and you're factoring that stable coin there and looking at an $83 billion market cap. I mean, it's not there yet. Yes, it will get there. Yes, it will get to a $100 billion market cap. And I do believe that XRP will get to that level, surpass that level, and be there. But taking out stable coins, it is the third cryptocurrency there and can really compete for those other spots as well. Okay, I have 1,000-ish. Yeah, I mean, I went over my plan, what my full plan for XRP was and is. And it's all about, trying to, one, protect my initial investment as well as investing for the long term. I don't want to sit here like, I feel like XRP is at such a high market cap right now, right? That you have to look for short-term plays to kind of double what you've invested into it, triple what you've invested into it, and then, see the rest play out if it can end up playing out the way that everybody predicts it to, being the global digital currency, digital asset to where, we're using it as a form of payment in a lot of things. Then yes, like, I'm all for that. And I will have 100 to 500 XRP to sit there and possibly end up being, $100 per coin or $1,000 per coin, like people say. But I know it's a little bit of a stretch when we look at the market cap side of things. So that's why I protect my initial investment and keep the rest that's in there. You have 84K XRP, been holding for 3 years. That's phenomenal. Honestly, that's phenomenal. Thank you for sharing. Everybody that's sharing how much they have, I appreciate you guys sharing because it gives everybody else a perspective on like what they should do, what they feel like, they should invest in, how much they should hold, all of that. I hold 4.7K. That's amazing. Transcended masculinity. On I have 13,000 XRP. Hopefully it goes back down so I can buy more. I mean, I never want to hope that things go back down, especially as you're seeing bullish momentum. I want to continue with that bullish momentum. I mean, if we missed our opportunity to invest into it, we missed our opportunity to buy more. Let's just let it run, its course when it comes to bullish momentum and try and capture the most out of it that we can. um 17 Dog was just telling me that he's at 10K. Well, that's great. Matt, is there another way to see Lunic transactions apart from TerraFinder? um Not that I know of. No, I know you're trying to probably, I try and look up some transactions and stuff when people are like, hey, I've done this, I've done that. I try and look up transactions, but it's a lot more difficult than looking at like Etherscan, you know. 301 at 39 cents. I bought it, like I said, between 36 and 39 cents. I should have bought more before it went, or it was 45 cents. Everybody, 99% knew that XRP will win. Easiest trade ever. Absolutely. Absolutely is. That's why I kept adding to my XRP. And my plan actually was to take the money that I'm gaining from like referral links. If you guys want to sign up for my KuCoin referral link or Coinbase referral link, feel free to use those down below. So if you use those referral links, I'm using that money to buy like XRP and different cryptocurrency. And my plan was to use it to buy XRP, which I probably can still do. Me and my day, we own at least 25,000 of XRP coins. Only have 146.9. Well, that's a low amount, but you can still see that potential in the future, and hopefully we do see this become what everybody believes it's going to become, right? I'm probably an average of 50 cents. Well, that's great. Again, you have so much room from where it is in price right now to where you bought at. Having that cushion means everything. I know a lot of people will look at it and go, yeah, you know what? I believe in it way above this point. I'm going to see double, triple my investment anyways, so I'm going to keep investing into it. But it's not about the belief there. What it is about is about setting up strategies for the future and investing the right way. And if you're investing, if you're investing at a low point and then you see it reach a way higher point, that's the way that you should invest and you should trade, right? But if you're continuing to dollar cost average up, that's not the way that investors make money. Like, you don't see somebody that owns a business, no offense to people that are doing it. You don't see somebody that owns a business that's like, you know what? in rare cases, you probably do, but you don't see somebody that buys out a certain stake, like 10%, and they're like, you know what? I want to buy 30% more, but for way more money at a higher valuation. You're not going to see that in most cases. You probably will if somebody's just trying to buy out the company and, own the company. But majority of times you're not going to see that because they don't want to spend more money. They want to be able to recoup their investment. And that's what you will get with a lot of these plays if you're buying low and selling high. New subscriber here. Thank you, Jay Gonzalez, for subscribing. I appreciate that. Make sure you hit that bell notification so you get notified when I go live, when I post videos, all that stuff. I've got a transaction ID, but TerraFinder is not working. It never works for me. XRP has been extremely low for a very long time. Why the hell will anyone want to want it to go back down now? Just he or she can buy. Just ridiculous. Stellar Lumens is climbing. That's XLM, right? XLM was definitely climbing as well. I know that was up like 50%. But Cardano is also moving as well, and that's a position that I hold a decent amount in. At 33 cents, I believe I hold 10,000 Cardano, so I'm excited about that. I think $2 is achievable very soon. Yeah, I don't think you're wrong. What's your prediction by the end of July? Honestly, like, I wouldn't say that I hate predictions like that because you don't really know what's going to happen, like, what they're going to try and do in order to bring it back down. I almost knocked this over. What they're going to try and do to bring it back down. Or if the crypto market's going to continue to thrive, right? Right now we're seeing XRP and Stellar and some other things that are pulling back by 2, 6, 1% in the last hour. But my hope is that we see this just continue and compound positive after positive after positive, but eventually you're going to see slight retracements. So my thought is that July will kind of be this test point to get everything situated, and you'll see it level out. Maybe it gets to $1, $1.50, and then it starts to, level out, and, we start to get an understanding of where the crypto market is and if it's time to start investing heavily into it for a lot of other people that didn't invest during the low points. And then you'll start to see it thrive based on what they do. So let's say the end of July ends up being at a higher point, maybe a $1.5 trillion market cap overall for crypto. And then we start seeing, the jumps as we get into future months, August, September, all of those. You just earned a new subscriber. Well, thank you. Thank you for saying that. Thank you for being here as well. Just bought 5K in XRP to the moon. I took all my savings. So I can't say that I will recommend that somebody takes all their savings to invest into one play, especially while it's 70% up. I don't want to talk down what your decision was because it's ultimately your decision. I just don't want anybody to invest aggressively into something and not find the lowest point, to give them a gap between where the lowest point is and where the highest point is, or where the high point or current point is, right? So if we do see a retracement, which we are, right, we see it at 95 cents, decrease down to about 77 cents. And then we see Coinbase that now offers trading, Kraken offers trading, and 77 cents might have been the lower point, right? About 20 cents of a decrease there. Now we can see this pick back up and start to kind of trend upward again and break that level of $1. That would be phenomenal, but it's not confirmed. $1 is the goal for now, one step at a time. Absolutely. Absolutely. Had a good run, seems to be slowing down, dropping a bit. Is that correction? So I think the correction from 95 is the correction to 77 until it breaks that point, which it looks like there was a kind of a double touch point. at least towards the bottom. You can see here, close to that 77, 78 cents. And now you're seeing it maybe pick up a little bit up to 79, 80 cents. I think it will reject $1. So it already rejected $1. It already rejected it. So I would imagine it will get up to an actual dollar, surpass $1, and then you'll see it come back to a certain touch point, maybe like 90 cents or 85 cents. Get a cough drop. I do have a cough drop, but it's not going to work. The reason is not not because of it's because I'm talking too much. And this is not going to taste good with orange juice. At $1.60, I would have double my money. That's phenomenal. If you're investing like now, $1.60, you would have double your money. I'm in the top 10% for XRP. You're in the top 10% as a holder for XRP. Congratulations if you are. A lot have been pretty trashy. I'd rather buy quant. For XRP holding is XRP holding is my McLaren money when it passes $5. $5 is achievable, honestly. Down to 60 seconds today, or the 60s today, and then up. You're saying and then up and up to $14 within a week or two. I mean, that's quite a prediction. Get some tussin in your system, Matt. Like Robitussin? No, it's I don't even know what it is, honestly. Because I would say it's allergies because my eyes are like itching or watering. But I don't know. I'm just glad to be here with all you guys and talking about XRP and having good news in the crypto market. I believe it's yet a true pump. Yeah, I believe it is not yet a true pump because it's not alt season yet, nor Bitcoin season too. Yeah, I would agree. I mean, Bitcoin is running or ran to like um, close to half of what the high price is, while you're seeing everything else that's not even close to the high price. Like Cardano is nowhere near close to the high price. XRP is, getting closer to that halfway point. Um, you see a lot of other plays that are not even close to the highest price, and maybe it's because of dilution, but also you're not seeing them close to the halfway point that they were by market cap. Like ADA. ADA was at $100 billion market cap, or at least 90 to 95, right? And it's sitting at about 10 right now, I think. It might be a little bit uh might be a little bit lower or a little bit higher. So it's sitting at about almost 12. So it's nowhere near the halfway point of, basically $100 billion market cap, which would be a $50 billion market cap. It should get back up to that point because Cardano is a solid play with a solid use case. It was $3.84. You're talking about XRP. Was that when they had less coins available? You saw this at $3 plus, right? But if you look at the market cap, if it updates, I guess this is at 119 billion or $120 billion market cap in 2017, and recently, you saw it at an $82 billion market cap and at a price of about $2. So that'd be phenomenal for that to get to. ADA was labeled a security, has to fight the SEC. It was labeled a security, but ADA is not fighting it. It's a lot of the exchanges for trading the position that they're fighting, and they're gonna probably create, at least a little bit more, um, what's it called, case law about what is a security and what is not. Algorand is a super good buy. I don't disagree with you. Thank you for following and subscribing and liking and being here, guys. I think we have like over 100. We almost have 200 likes, guys. If you haven't hit the like button, please do so. It does help out with growth, with more people seeing the stream, everything. So feel free to hit that like button. I would love to get up to 250 likes for having 340 people here. Will Asian market move this more tonight? It's possible. It's definitely possible to see that. I would think there's probably a strong possibility that we will see that at like 4 in the morning. So be be prepared to see, this absolutely move at more like 4 in the morning for typically when we see the markets move, it's somewhere between 2 and 4 um in the morning, and a lot of us end up missing it. So XLM is trading up along with XRP. Yes, it is. Absolutely is. Will it retrace to around 57 cents to 60 cents? I don't think so. I think the retracement was from 95 to 77, but it all depends on what people start doing. Oh, yo, Mama said hit the like button. Yeah, definitely hit the like button. I don't know who Mama is, but hit the like button. Should you buy now or sell? Please tell me for advice. So I don't give advice, but what I will tell you is that I typically do not buy at these times while XRP is up, 80%, 70%, a higher percentage. Anything is up like that. I'm not going to buy at those times. But also, if you didn't hit your goal based on how much you want to gain, it's not time to sell yet. Yes, it may be a high point and you may be able to capture out of it, and you may see it retrace a little bit down to 77 cents, right? And it is at 79 cents right now. Um, but for me, at least, and this is just my opinion, this is what I'm doing. I'm not deciding to sell because it's not to a point where I wanted to get to reach my initial investment or capture my initial investment. 2 a.m. 2 a.m. to 4 a.m. Is that Eastern? Yes, that's Eastern. uh, Buy if it's retraced or just buy a CRO. So honestly, you can say, like, look at this. It technically is at a retracement because it went from 95 down to 79 cents. So it may be a time to buy, seeing that you saw it go to 95 cents. However, it still is up a lot. So it's kind of in that middle ground where it's been up for the last day, but it has seen a retracement already. So you got to make that that distinction whether it is time to invest or not. For me, I'm not buying any more because it's well above my cost basis and I don't want to do that. You should also explain to people that you are a trader, not necessarily an XRP diehard junkie. That's true. So I am a trader. I'm not someone that's an XRP diehard. I am planning on supporting XRP in the long term with 100 to 500 XRP to see it thrive, to see it succeed, to be able to gain a hell of a lot out of it as it does hit some of these levels that people predict that it gets to. But I do see certain levels that I plan on selling to reach my initial investment plus my profit. And then after that, everything else can, run and do whatever it's going to do. So if it's $2, $3, I may end up taking majority of that investment there, even though it has the potential to go to 5 or 10 or 100 or 1,000. I will still have some in there that I'm holding for the long term, but I'm not a person that's like, oh, I'm going to hold 45,000 until it hits $1,000. It's not really where I come from. Matthew, if something is up 50%, but you firmly believe it can go up another 500%, you still won't add to your bag. So no, my strategy. That's a good question, right? And I understand where you're coming from, where you're like, hey, you firmly believe that this is going to grow a hell of a lot. Understand that I have a lot of plays that I believe are going to have massive gains. Jasmine Coin, I don't want to increase my cost basis. I've been decreasing my cost basis ever since. If it was at a higher price, and it was at a higher price of 70% of a penny, I will not buy more. The reason being is because um, as you were doing that, you were bringing up your cost basis to a heftier amount and giving yourself less of a gap between where the price is and where you hold. I don't want to have that happen because I've seen so many times to where it has come back to the level that we're at, and we're treating our price as the low when in reality our original price was the low. So no, most cases I will not buy. There's probably a 1% chance that I will ever do that and add to my cost basis or dollar cost average up. Um, but 99% of the time, I'm not looking to purchase any more because if I truly believed in the position, then I would believe in it at its lowest point. If I don't, or if I feel like I didn't have the money, that's the only really exception, right? I have new money and I want to invest into it. Um, but most likely I won't make that move. Like 99% sure that I will not dollar cost average up. I'll find another investment. And that's just my strategy. Okay, example, do you believe Elmo can reach 50 cents in the next bull market? If it goes up to 5 cents in 2 days, will you not buy any more Elmo? So no, I won't. Like I said, if I'm not buying Elmo at a low point, I'm not gonna buy any more Elmo at all. Um, and I think that's what I should be doing, and I will be doing whenever I have any type of free cash to throw into Elmo at low prices. Currently, my cost basis on Elmo is about 1.5 cents. So as it goes above 1.5 cents, no, I don't want to raise my cost basis. But will I have more? So we worked out an agreement with them that as we see certain levels, as we increased $10 million market cap, $20 million market cap, $30 million market cap. I actually receive coins, receive 10,000 coins as we're seeing those market caps hit, all the way up to like $1 billion market cap, and then it stops. Um, so I wouldn't be buying more coins because I would be receiving more coins. But either way, I probably should, um, buy more at the lows. But it shows how much I believe in it if I'm truly buying at the lowest possible level. Because if you're not believing in it there, you shouldn't sit here and believe in it just because it's running, right? Um, that shows more of a weak mentality than a strength, right? A strong mentality, right? If you're again, I may be repeating myself over and over again. Let's say you have XRP and you were so like gung ho about XRP, like, hey, I need to make sure that this I know that this is going to run to $100 per coin. If you know it's going to run to $100 per coin, it's at 30 cents right now. Why don't you buy the most that you can buy right now in order to believe in it in its lowest time? But no, people only believe in it when it's running. So that's where I stand with it, right? You need to believe in it here, and if you don't believe in it here, why believe in it there? That's a good question, good examples. I appreciate the questions. I appreciate everything. Um, so thank you for that. They're talking $500 a coin. Uh, is that even possible? So I would say yes and no. The reason why I would say yes is because understanding what XRP, encompasses, understanding what it what it can do, what it can stand for. It can be something that not only stands for one country's currency, it stands for the world's currency. People utilize that left and right. They hold it left and right, and using currency just within, a country, like saying using the US dollar, that's in the trillions, right? So understanding that at a global scale of 7 billion, 8 billion people, I don't know how many people are on the earth, but it's like between 7 and 8. Um, you're accelerating that to a ridiculous level from 300 plus or almost 400 million people to multiple billions of people. You're looking at trillions of dollars of a market cap, multiple trillions. So yes, it could happen, but then I'll also say no, because then you understand the market cap side of it, and you're like this is going to be worth more than Bitcoin, Ethereum, everything else combined, plus the stock market, right? It's going to be worth more than all of the businesses combined as well. Is that true? It could be, because it's not just about using that form of payment within those businesses, but also real estate, but also other countries, but also other different, things that are happening around the world, for everything. And it could be absolutely huge, to a level that people don't understand, because they're trying to just compare it to, hey, the US stock market is worth $40 trillion, and it can't be worth more than that, can it? Well, it's not just US, it's China, it's everywhere, right? So it could be absolutely massive. But again, you're looking at the market cap and you're like, that's trillions, tens of trillions, hundreds of trillions. Can that really take place? It can, but it's still hard to really grasp an idea of that happening, I'm also digging the question right now. The QI right now? What's the QI right now? Should have bought this morning. I mean, it's always like should have, could have, would have. Same thing here. I saw it. I was like, damn it! I just made the commitment that I was going to take a lot of my referrals and throw that directly on XRP. And what happens to XRP? It skyrockets, right? And that's great. I'm not going to be salty about it. I mean, I'll be salty for a second, but seeing that it skyrocketed made me very, very happy. Um, I was gonna sound like a caveman. Um, make me very happy. Market cap isn't everything in crypto. That's true, but a lot of people treat it as if it is everything. Um, it's not a retail coin either. It's made for banks. XLM is supposed to be the retail banks won't want to send 1,000,000 XRP. They will send a fraction of that, making the value thousands per coin. Interesting. Uh, like I said, I want to read up on everything about it, because like I said, I'm not the person that's like, hey, this is absolutely everything about what XRP's plan is or what everybody says this is going to be. But I do see the different predictions that we have over there and the different assumptions that we have for XRP. And I kind of run with those, but I want to read up on a lot more of what other people believe that's going to happen, experts believe are going to happen, how we're going to add this into kind of society, I guess. Emmy has been barking a lot. I don't know if somebody else is here. If you want to make XRP now, only buy 50% of your new money. It retraces to 60 cent. Buy again and with your other 50% of new money. I feel the market is being kept in a range after this small pump. Probably not wrong. Didn't notice until 65 cents. I didn't notice until I literally looked at the market. It was 60% up. I was like, holy cow. I think it was at like 70 cents. Yeah, 70 plus cents. Um, it's only testing the waters right now. We haven't skyrocketed yet. It's true. Of course they will, Mark. Um, look at Michael Saylor. You talking to me? You talking about me? um, hey Matt. So glad I kept building my XRP bag. Wait, you you know from our Patreon conversations, I'm very very happy today. Yes, I do remember that. There's a couple of people that have been talking to me about buying XRP and how much they were buying, but I definitely remember these conversations. I still have them. You still have um the thread uh for the uh messages and stuff. XRP passed BNB uh a day in a day. Hopefully XLM can get in the top 10. I'm not sure about that, but I mean, we're all for it, right? I'm not holding XLM. I think I was a while back, but I'm not holding it now. Banks using XRP. Go on. Stop being scared. Should I buy now? It's all up to you. Like, I'm not going to tell you to purchase a position. Um, but honestly, it is. So listen to this. So it is at a retracement right now from a level of 90 cents, right? So we saw it get up to, I'm gonna go into trading view. So we saw it get up to about 90, 95 cents. It is at a retracement right now. If I look at the last, let's say 30 minutes. So it pulled back from 90, 93, 94 cents, decreased all the way down to 74 cents, which is a 20-cent retracement, all the way back to kind of support this level as a support, right? 74 cents. It did increase, kind of consolidate here, and we saw it get to a level of 77 before picking up again and being at a level of 81. So honestly, I think we still out are a consolidated point compared to the lowest point or the highest point that we've been at. So seeing that retracement, sorry, I'm not even showing anything on the screen, but seeing that retracement that we are seeing here from 93 cents or 94 cents all the way down to 74 cents, we know that we're still kind of halfway point. You kind of missed the retracement to buy a position at, or at least dabble in purchasing the position of XRP. But it's still not over, right? You're only 5 cents of an increase from that low, or 4 cents of an increase from that low. Or sorry, 6 cents of an increase from that low. But you still have from 80 or technically 82 cents now, or 81 cent, all the way up to 95 cents to have that cushion of where that high point is, right? So it's all up to you whether you're going to make that purchase. I'm not buying any more now because I bought in between 36 and 39 cents, and it doesn't make sense for me to average up for me. But for your position, it may be a time to get your feet wet, but don't go all in, right? If you want to go all in, that's totally up to you. But I always suggest investing on retracements. Do you think they relist Wrap Luna now that XRP has been declared not a security, which would be good for Lunic? So, no, I don't think so. I think that's a completely separate issue that they deal with. But it does have some sort of, I guess, some sort of connection, but it is a completely separate issue that you have. It's not something where it's like, oh, you know, Terra Luna Classic was labeled security, so we're going to, take Wrap Luna off of the platform. No, they took it off because of the collapse of, Terra Luna. Is it still on Coinbase for sale? It is on Coinbase for sale right now. I believe it's still moving. Let me go back to Coinbase over here. I believe it is still moving. You're seeing volume that's going into it. Let me add 5-minute chart. So you are seeing the purchase volume that's going into it, buy, sell orders that are going through. The markets are moving. So yes, XRP is purchasable on Coinbase, and we're also seeing it now at 82 cents. You asked what QI is. That's the answer above. A QI is a crypto. Ben QI. Okay, it's currently at what? 69% of a penny, up 4%. Okay. I thought you were talking about like you were enjoying the question or something. I thought it was some expert way of saying you were enjoying the question or you were enjoying the question and information. I wasn't sure. Right now, 20K profit. That's fantastic. Take that any day. Breaking Coinbase has listed. I did see that. This is going to be good for all crypto, but XRP will win because Ripple is the best technology. Well, they already won, and if he reserved and BlackRock dumping money into. You think Coinbase will list Pepe now? I mean, it's probably going to be a little bit until Coinbase lists Pepe, but probably eventually they will do it. It may take some time, and you'll see a pump for Pepe when that does happen. We got 28 people over here on TikTok. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys want to go and follow me on YouTube or follow me on Kick or Twitch, feel free to follow me on any of those platforms. If you want to follow me on here, I'm also live. You just won't be able to see majority of the stuff that I talk about on the screen while we're talking. Sorry, am I that obtuse? I don't know. You think sometimes I feel like these jokes and things just go over my head, right? Buy button isn't working on Coinbase. Oh, it's not? How much XRP do you have right now? I have 1,788 XRP. I know there's a lot of people that will not tell you how much of a position that they have because majority of people just talk about it without ever investing into it or having a very, very small amount, like $100 within the position. If I have $100 in the position like I do with Pepe, I will tell you that I have $100 or $200 within it. But I have about $1,400, which is okay. It's not crazy. It's at 82 cents right now. I did see that. I just bought $10 worth. I only have 100 XRP. That's fantastic. I'm just saying, like, it's not bad to have 100 XRP. I'm saying that the people that are talking about it as the next big thing, as a YouTuber or something like that, that don't really want to display it. I mean, it's up to them whether they want to display how much they're actually holding, but a lot of them probably wouldn't even be holding it. And it's not bad to have that much XRP. XRP all-time high used to be $3, so buying it now is honestly not a bad idea. I'm not saying it is a bad idea or it isn't. I'm saying that what you want to do is buy into a position as it's on a retracement. And XRP did have a solid retracement down to 74 cents, which I feel like was the level that you should have bought in at if you were going to buy. Right now, it's still at a level where it's consolidating. So this may also be a level where you can purchase at because it still is significantly lower than the high point of 94 cents. So ignore that Appleseed guy. He's an ass. Appreciate you hitting the like button on multiple accounts, by the way. I have enough XRP to where I'm satisfied. I won't say how many I have, but as of the beginning of June's statistic wise, I was in the top 1% of XRP holders. That's fantastic, Michael. Absolutely fantastic. Don't matter how much you have, at least you got some, bro. That's exactly right. Exactly right. I have 10,250 XRP. I have 264K XRP here. That's a lot and fantastic. Can't buy on Coinbase yet, probably in a few days. Most of us were just hesitant because we didn't know how the judge was going to rule. I mean, it was always looking in favor. They just always tried to flood our feed, and this is what happens with media. Is media will tell us, hey, you know, they're going to rule against it because of this, even though it doesn't make sense. Or they're going to rule against it because of this, even though, again, it doesn't make sense. And we're still leaning towards Ripple winning, but then we're like, well, the media says that it might not win, and we're believing them. That's just how the the media works. They try and change your mind. I'm doing a GoFundMe to buy crypto. Um, well, that's a lot. Nice, good for you. If you're not where you want to be, add some on red days. Even if it gets to $3, you should see some nice gains. Yeah. Anyone who has not hit the like button, please support Matt by hitting the like button. It's free. It is free. Did you not know that? It's free to hit the like button. All you have to do is I think it spells it out, LIKE, right? Like, it might be a heart. I'm not 100% sure. But you know, tap that like button and get me to about 300 likes. That would be fantastic. If I send you the profit I made today, will you show right now in live? If I send you the profit I made today, will you show it right now in live? Um, I don't know. I only had 300 XRP. I don't know what's going on upstairs, but I think I'm gonna have to get out of here, guys. This was a great stream, over an hour long. I would love to continue to stream with what's happening there, but I'm gonna make some videos. I'm probably gonna upload a video soon, and then also, or maybe I won't. I might not even upload a video today, but I might upload more video. I'm not sure. You might see a couple of videos today, somewhere around 7:30, then around 10 or something. But I really want to get that out here. So guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Thank you everybody for watching on TikTok. First of all, I want to thank people that are here and hitting the like button there. I also want to thank all the people that showed up here. 269 people that are currently viewing, 273 likes within the video. And you know, it's just phenomenal to see a lot of people here again, because the crypto market is starting to thrive a little bit, and I want to be able to stream a lot more here. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for being here. We'll continue to create more content, and I will see you guys tomorrow, bright and early. And you'll probably see some, like I said, you'll see some videos later today. So, yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.